Here are the top Air Jordans releasing in May. Hashtag Sneakerhead Bros. Welcome back to my channel and hit that like button. The women's Air Jordan 2, Cool Gray, is scheduled to drop on May 4th at select retailers for $175. The sneaker features a cool gray nubuck upper and tongue. The Wings logo on the tongue, Nike branding on the heel, a white midsole with an icy blue translucent outsole finishing off the sneaker. The Air Jordan 1 High, white cement, is scheduled to release in full family sizing on May 6th, at select retailers for $180. The shoe features big and bold cement print overlays, white leather upper and a black leather Nike swoosh. A white midsole and gray outsole complete the design.
The Air Jordan 11 Low Women's, yellow snakeskin, is scheduled to drop on May 11th at select retailers for $190. Yellow Jumpman on the back, a white midsole and icy translucent outsole finish off the sneaker. The Air Jordan 4, Thunder, is set to return on May 13th, at select retailers for $210. Yellow detailing on the midsoles, side panels, and wingtip eyelets.
The Air Jordan 3 Women's, Lucky Green, is scheduled to drop on May 18th, at select retailers for $200. The sneaker uses a white leather base with elephant print seen on the toe and heel overlay, and Lucky Green accenting the sneaker throughout. Red Jumpman on the tongue, sail midsole, and gray outsole finishing off the sneaker. The Spider-Man, Across the Spider-Verse X Air Jordan 1 High releases for $200 on May 20, 2023, in full family sizing. This Air Jordan 1 goes for a multiverse look with different materials and patterns on the collar, including a black patent leather SW hoosh. A red translucent outsole finishes off the sneaker. Jordan Brand brings the Laney colorway originally seen on the Air Jordan 14 Low to the Air Jordan 14 Mid. Air Jordan 14 Retro, Laney, is scheduled to drop on May 27th at select retailers for $210. Laney blue nubuck seen on the majority of the sneaker with black nubuck seen on the toe box. 23 branding on the heel, white midsole, and a black outsole finishes off the sneaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.